Welcome everyone. Today we shall study the problem on circular time shift in DFT. So concept of circular time shift in DFT. So performing the circular time shifting with the sequence x of n is equal to 1, 2, minus 2, 3, where y of n is x of n minus 1 modulus of 4. So here first we have to write one circle for the time shifting. So we represent the signal x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. So similarly we will represent another circle to represent y of n. So in y of n we get y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3. To find the sequence y of n is equal to x of n minus 1 modulus of 4. Since they have given the circular shift by one position, because here n minus 1, here the circular shift will be of one position and we have negative sign. So we need to rotate x of n in the anti-clockwise, one step in the anti-clockwise. So we have to see x of n minus 1 means one position, shifting by one position. N minus 1 negative sign. So negative sign. So that indicates it is starts from the anti-clockwise. So we shall now, which we have written x of n circular way. So we will represent the values here. So x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 2, x of 2 is 3, x of 3 is x of 2 is minus 2 and x of 3 is 3. So now we will rotate the one shift, one position in the anti-clockwise like this. So the x of 0 which is here will go to here in the anti-clockwise one step. Then x of 1 will go to here. X of 1 which was here will, x of 2 will go to here. X of 3 will go to here. So similarly we have to change the respective values when the position shift. So shifting x of n in the anti-clockwise direction by one step. So here we get the value that will be y of n. The values of y of n will be y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3. So this corresponding values which you, after shifting will be your y of n. So here y of n will be 3, 1, 2, minus 2. So suppose let us consider this second problem. The sequence is x of n is equal to 1 minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 3. So here y of n output will be x of n minus 2 modulus of 4. That means you have to shift 2 steps at a time, and here there is a minus. So we have to start in the anti-clock direction. X of n minus 2, 2 shifts, 2 steps anti-clockwise. So here you will get x of 0 will be go to 1 and 2 this position, and x of 1 will go to 1 and 2 this position, and x of 2 which is here will go to 1 and 2 here, 1 2 after shifting towards after 2 positions. So when you shift two positions anti-clockwise, the result which you get is represented as y of n. So let us consider the third problem. Here y of n is equal to x of n plus 1 of modulus of 4. X of n, there will be one input signal sequence, and y of n will be represented as x of n plus 1 modulus of 4. That means here you have to shift one step in the clockwise direction, because x of n plus 1, 1 means one step and plus means clockwise direction. Negative minus means anti-clockwise direction. After shifting one step in the clockwise direction, the value which you will get is will be your y of n. Thank you.